players' need for 48 hours rest between matches eliminated other options, and that's just what UEFA have said.
That's nonsense, isn't it, really? The players wanted to continue. The players can't have been in the right...
True speed or TruCam. Ahead. Interference detection. Only.
The pitch on the... with the players. So for them to say that the players and the staff decided it was the best to play it, that is nonsense. And you hear Peter Schmeichel's come out last couple of days and absolutely chastised the FA, and rightly so.